No, it's cool.
What's in there? This is so cool. Wait. What is it?
What do you smell?
I don't know, it has a smell to
What
it.
if there was anthrax in it? No, I'm good.
It smells like flowers, kind of.
It's like pebbles.
Is that one of the silica packets?
That's what I was thinking.
Red beads?
It's caviar.
You should put it in water. What if it's in Orbeez?
Oh, it smells good.
They do smell good.
I think it's candy.
I don't know what it is.
You should eat one.
I'm pretty sure it's candy.
You can eat one.
Okay.
Is it candy?
I don't know, I swallowed it.
Or did you just eat
Oh, you just
Like a pill.
Does it taste like anything?
No.
No. Interesting.
The bake smells nice, though.
The what?
The bake.
I think it's candy.
It smells like flowers, kind of.
Yeah, it smells good. But
And I'll just wake up and I'm in bed dead.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
It does smell nice.
It might just be an air freshener or something.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
You ready?
I wish they had toys in here. I want some toys. I really like.
What was the first thing? Did he pull it out?
It was candy, like Skittles.
Oh.
And there's some powder that you put in like water to make it taste good or something.
Oh, the
but I
crystal,
don't. Do you guys like these kind of machines? Like I use them all the time at home, where you put like $2 in, and then it gives you like a capsule with like a toy in it.
Yeah.
I used to do this when we would have like at the end of like a sports season.
Mm-hmm.
We would go to like a pizza place for like the end of the year day. Isn't that good?
Oh, let's see what.
What did you get?
Out.
A bouncy ball and a Starburst.
Oh my god, I love that.
It's the pink kind.
So there is toys in here.
Oh no.
Oh, I just sucked on something wet. What the fuck?
That might be the beer I saw earlier.
Oh, I didn't know. So weird.
Sorry.
Are you getting another thing?
No, I put the 2 quarters in there. Right there.
Where?
Oh, no, use you.
Oh, should I use it?
If you want.
Yeah, I want to. Candy. And
Who can throw the bouncy ball the hardest?
At the window.
I don't know where it went. Oh, here it is.
we count by how many times.
Yeah, how many times it hits the ceiling? How many was that?
I don't know.
3 or 4?
Where did it go?
I don't know what it
Why is there a towel here?
Ugh.
Oh, right, because of the beer thing.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Bro.
It's gonna take someone's eye.
Well, yo, I keep the ground.
Okay, everyone take cover.
Why?
Go down this room.
That was like, what, 5 times at least?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Oh, that was less time. Love. Do you want to try it again?
Something about soda.
Yeah.
You're like dipping your finger in soda.
You're watching
They
Fish Tank.
wanted me to drink it. So I tasted it with my finger instead of drinking it. And like, drink it. What are you talking Fish Tank?
I said you're now watching Fish Tank.
Oh.
Cutting a promo.